Hi guys, this is my pretty little red Cadillac 1999 Seville STS. It's in pretty good shape for the age. Haven't had too many problems, nothing I didn't expect when I bought it. So now I want to be able to read the diagnostic codes that the car itself comes up with, and I'll show you how to do that with the help of CadillacInfo.com with their little information page. Willie Spencer has a way of doing this on this car that I'm going to try, and he says that first of all you go over here to these three buttons. This is the info button, this is the on-off button, and this is the info reset. So the first thing you do is you turn the key on. And it's on. Okay, now I am going to push the on-off and the info up button at the same time for 2 to 3 seconds. And we'll see what happens. There's that. The noise in the background is the fuel pump, I believe. I hope. Okay, now it's asking me if I want all the codes. And Willie says press the on-off button to select that. Okay, there we go. There are no ABS codes. And there we have AMP. We'll let it run through these. I'm going to push the info up to see if it changes. It's going to just run through it by itself, I think. And there's a few codes here. After I run through this, or let it run through this, I'm going to go in the house and find out what all this means. But this is pretty cool. I've been having problems with little leak in the radiator, or not on the radiator, but there's a leak in it somewhere for the antifreeze. A little oil leak. I got to fix that. I put some fancy brake shoes and brand new discs all the way around it. And the first thing it tells me when I turn the car on is change the disc, change the pads. Well, they're already done, and I don't know what's making it cause to do that. Okay, now it's asking me all clear codes. And Willie says press the on-off button to clear them if you want to, which I do not at this moment. And he says if no, press reset info repeatedly until you exit. But you can also exit by turning the ignition switch off. So we're going to run through it with the info reset. I believe, is that what it said? Yeah, the info reset repeatedly. So we'll go through that. And there, I don't know what it's doing. So there we go, we're out. And let's see, we'll push it again. And I don't know, is this telling me, is this resetting this son of a gun? Let's see, press on off button to clear them. No, I'm doing what he says. I hope I'm doing it right. Well, after that, I'm just going to turn the key off anyway. All right, let's go see if that works. Maybe that'll help you guys. But remember, push the on-off and the info up and hold for 2 seconds. And it brings up the codes. Anyway, thanks. push high or like if you liked it. If you didn't, okay, no problem. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.